Did you know that some car companies make more money selling t-shirts and hats than they do selling cars? That's not a joke. It's a real fact. Porsche, Ferrari, and even Lamborghini earn millions from branded merchandise every year. And that's just one example of the weird, wonderful, and downright mind-blowing, obscure facts we're going to dive into today. So buckle up, because we're about to uncover some of the strangest truths you've probably never heard before. Let's begin with something quick. Literally, the shortest war in human history lasted only 38 minutes. It was fought between Britain and the Sultanate of Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. When the Sultan died and his successor took over without British approval, the Royal Navy responded fast. The British bombarded the palace, sank a yacht, and the new Sultan surrendered in under an hour. That's faster than an average lunch break. Next up, octopuses. These ocean creatures seem almost alien. They have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. But get this. When they swim, that main heart stops beating. Also, their blood is blue, not red, due to a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin. It helps them survive in cold, low-oxygen environments deep in the sea. Oh, and one more thing. They can taste with their arms. Yeah, the ocean's getting weirder by the second. Now let's talk about food, or more specifically, honey. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. How? Honey is naturally low in moisture and highly acidic, which makes it a hostile environment for bacteria and mold. So that honey in your pantry? It might outlive you. Here's a classy one. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Yes, flamboyance. Possibly the most stylish animal group name ever. These birds are already pretty extra, with their pink feathers and synchronized dances. It's only fitting that their group name sounds like something out of a fashion magazine. Ready to have your brain twisted? Botanically speaking, bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. A berry, in scientific terms, is a fruit that develops from a single flower's ovary and has multiple seeds inside. Bananas tick all those boxes. Strawberries, however, come from a flower with multiple ovaries and have their seeds on the outside. So yeah, science just flipped our fruit logic upside down. Wombats, the adorable marsupials from Australia, have an equally adorable and weird trait: cube-shaped poop. Why? Because cube-shaped droppings are less likely to roll away. Wombats use them to mark territory, so they need their messages to stay put. Scientists actually studied how their intestines shape the poop into perfect little cubes. Nature really thought of everything. Ever told someone you'd be back in a jiffy? Well, joke's on you. A jiffy's an actual unit of time. In computing, it's 1/100th of a second. In physics, it can refer to the time light takes to travel 1 centimeter in a vacuum. So next time someone says just a jiffy, you'll know they're being weirdly precise. Here's a cosmic perspective for you. There are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Let that sink in. Think of every coastline, every desert dune, and now multiply that by hundreds of billions. Every star could have its own planets, moons, even life. The universe isn't just big, it's practically unfathomable. Let's rapid fire a few more obscure gems. Sharks existed before trees. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. Trees? Only about 350 million. Oxford University is older than the Aztec Empire. Classes were held at Oxford in 1096. The Aztecs didn't rise until the 14th century. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Thanks to their low metabolism, sloths can hold their breath up to 40 minutes. Dolphins? About 10. The Eiffel Tower grows in the summer. When exposed to heat, the metal expands, making the tower about 6 inches taller during hot months. You can smell rain. That fresh smell before it rains is called petrichor, and it's caused by plant oils and bacteria being released into the air. The world is packed with obscure, mind-blowing facts like these, hiding in plain sight, waiting to be discovered. So next time you think you know how things work, remember, even wombats and fruit classifications can surprise you. If you enjoyed this dive into the strange and wonderful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Let's keep the curiosity alive. Until next time, stay weird, stay curious, and stay awesome.